right. Right over there was where all the tour boats were. Go out and charter boats, all that stuff. There's the old sea breeze. Spent a lot of time in that building years ago, beginning of 2000s. Must have met that restaurant. And they got nailed. Their deck around the building is just gone and everything. Figure 10 feet of water flying in here. So, yeah. Upcoming storm that we're supposed to get. So, almost to the big deck, y'all. If y'all know me and follow me for a while, you know that's where I'm gonna go with it. Fast the flash, and you've seen me before. When I turn around, wow, just gone. Look at this. Oh my God. Total devastation. It's amazing what these storms do, but hey, I still rather be around this than a blizzard. I mean, it's cold in a blizzard, but blizzards don't do this. But anyways, I don't like blizzards. I am now going to turn the camera around so you can see what was once the big deck. Are y'all ready for this? Here is the big deck. Here we go. The big deck is gone. Absolutely destroyed, leveled to the ground. That was the spot. Good food, good music, good people. It is just gone. Yeah. All right. Here's a real nice cigar little bar deal. I got an old video of me going inside there too. If you look through my videos, you'll see. If anyone wants to see before, just look through my videos. You know, I believe Cedar Key will be in the title. Sorry about the wind, y'all. I didn't think about bringing my camera. I mean, not my camera, microphone. Block out the wind, but let's carry on. Let's take a look back. Total devastation. But there, once again, that there is the big deck. Many good times in there. Lots of beers, lots of laughing. You know, good old times. And then here we go. This is just Dock Street, y'all. The whole island looks like this. Oh my. Look at this. Just destroyed. They had just had a fire too. I'll show you where that happened at too. They got that all cleaned up. And they have and they got a hurricane. Hurricane Helene. There's steamers. So the fire that they had started on the corner. Around that corner, it took those buildings out and got into steamers all the way to their kitchen. That was a big fire. It took out a couple buildings all the way into steamers, all the way to their kitchen. Right about in that area is their kitchen. And it went to the bar. My bad. I say it made the fire, made it to the bar, which would have been probably right about there. So, yeah, here we are. Look at this. All those shops, souvenirs, just destroyed. I still smell the smoke from that fire. But yeah, this is where it stopped. You can see Well, they cleaned everything up, but that's where the buildings once stood. I think Duncan's was one. But yeah, fire took those out. And there's some fire damage. So yeah, Cedar Key ain't been having the greatest luck. First a fire, then a hurricane. Fishing dock still looks nice though. Look at this. This is all nice places to go, y'all. Everything was so nice around here before this. But yeah. Look at the motel. Everything, every structure's first floor on this whole island is gone. They can rebuild, but they just rebuilt from last year from the hurricane. So turn around and do it again. People can't afford to keep rebuilding. Some people, it's their life. Gone, just like that. Here's another good shot of the fire. Yeah, it was a big fire. It was all over the news. So, there's the Gulf of Mexico, y'all. Look at all the rubble. And this is a week or so after the storm, and everybody's been cleaning up. So imagine how bad this place was the day after. This is after cleaning everything up. So yeah, that's absolutely crazy. But yeah, oh, wow, the dock got tipped. They picked that dock up. Wow, this is absolutely crazy, y'all. Such a beautiful island taken out by Hurricane Helene. There's another monster coming. It's supposed to hit Central Florida, Tampa Bay area. It's looking like right now they're saying it's going to be directly hit Tampa. If it goes south of Tampa, it'll miss Cedar Key. If that's going north, it may take another hit. This next storm is going to go right through Central Florida, though, across the whole state, came from the Pacific Ocean, crossed over Mexico, got in the Gulf of Mexico, go through Florida, go on out into the Atlantic, right through the whole Central Ocean of the state. So got that one coming in. I'm inland in Ocala, right in the middle of the state. And if it does go across the state, I will feel this one. So what happens if it I've been lucky. They say that's why you're in England. We usually don't get much on that, but this one may hit us in Ocala. So we'll see. Anyways, let's keep going.